Tell us what just happened, Glenn.
Rocky fucked up again.
Rocky fucked up.
Look, it's leaking.
Look at that. It's all in there. Andrew, guess what? I fucked up. You taught me well. That motherfucker right there is leaking. Right under there, that bolt. Yes, you can see it. Exactly like you. So what do you reckon, Glenn? Finally. It's only taken how long? About a year. Anyway, let's fire it up.
Out Coke bottle.
Yeah, look, that's our fuel tank. Got the fuel. You got the carby. Look at that. See, now it's throwing a fucking rod out.